In some countries, you see signs everywhere near train tracks. Danger, high voltage, do not touch. The tracks themselves carry enough electricity to kill you instantly. But in other countries, kids walk across train tracks barefoot without a care in the world. Same metal rails, same trains, but one will electrocute you and the other won't. So what's the difference? Why do some countries run deadly electricity through their rails while others don't? And if electrified tracks are so dangerous, why use them at all? Here's the answer. It's not about safety or danger. It's about power, speed, and one decision made over a century ago that split the world's railway systems into two completely different technologies. Welcome to Know More. Today we're uncovering why some train tracks can kill you and others can't. The reason is how trains get their power. Diesel trains carry their own fuel and engine, so the tracks stay neutral and safe to touch. But electric trains need constant power from an outside source. That electricity has to come from somewhere, and there are two ways to deliver it. The first method uses overhead wires. You've probably seen them, thick cables hanging above the tracks. The train has a device called a pantograph on its roof that touches the wire and draws electricity. The track itself stays safe. This is common in Europe and Japan. The second method uses a third rail, an extra electrified rail running alongside or between the tracks. The train has a contact shoe that slides along this rail, pulling power directly. London's Underground, New York's subway, and many urban rail systems use this. The problem? That third rail carries 600 to 750 volts of direct current. Touch it, and you're dead. It's cheaper to install than overhead wires and works well in tunnels where there's no room for cables above. But it's incredibly dangerous for anyone near the tracks. Some systems even electrify the running rails themselves, sending current through the same rails the train wheels touch. This works because steel wheels and rails complete the electrical circuit without shocking passengers inside. So electrified tracks aren't everywhere, but where they exist, they turn trains into lightning-fast, fuel-free machines. Just don't touch the rails. This is Know More. Hit like and subscribe for more dangerous tech explained.